The last wolf in England dying in Lancashire is really important. It's important because, like, poetically and symbolically, it signifies the end of wildness, the end of strangeness, the end of the rural economy, and all those folkloric ideas we have about our history. And the environment becomes full of smoke and coal and noise and mechanics. And now we're looking at the death of that period, and it feels like we're howling again because the period we're in is equally as strange, equally unknown, and equally scary. The reason to make this HOWL, this piece of work, is in a response to the times that we're living in. Asking people to gather together this time to HOWL was really about what's going on in the world around us right now. It's a crazy time that the cost of living is soaring. People are struggling to do things. It's almost sort of like an ancient idea that people can't keep warm, that they can't afford to get food. It feels like the only response is to get together and sort of like howl in anger, howl in rage, which is very different from when we did it the first time, which was howling in grief. This work asks people to gather and become powerful, and if they howl, they'll be heard. And that noise is about rage, is about melancholy, is about grief, but it's also about the individual becoming part of the pack again. And when we become part of a pack, that can be a really overwhelming proposition. It can become really intimidating, really scary, and takes a small voice into the largest noise that you could imagine.
4